So we're going to quickly review molar mass. So first we have SRO. So to find the molar mass of SRO, I'm going to take and look at my periodic table, find the atomic mass of SR, and it's 87.62, plus the molar mass of oxygen is 16.00. So when I add those two numbers together, I get 103.62, and the unit is always grams per mole. For the next one, Na2O, I'm going to now use the molar mass of Na, which is 22.99, round to 23 if you prefer, times 2, because there's two of them, plus oxygen. So notice the 2 here acts just on the Na, so that's where this 2 comes from. 22.99 times 2 plus 16, and I get 61.98. The next one is KNO3. So there's one K, so I find the molar mass of K is 39.1. The molar mass of N is 14.01. And then the molar mass of O is 16.00 times 3, because there's 3 of them. So I'm going to add up, and then 16 times 3 is 48, plus 14 plus 39, and I'm going to get 101.11 grams per mole. Next one is Fe2O3. So this 2 acts just on the Fe, and this 3 acts just on the O. So I'm going to take the molar mass of Fe, which is 55.85 times 2 plus 16 times 3. And I'm going to put it all together and get 159.7. So 159.7 is going to be the molar mass of it. So that's how I find the molar mass of Fe2O3. Next, aluminum nitrate. So for this one, it becomes a slight bit trickier because this 3 acts on everything in the parentheses. So I'm going to have 1 Al, I'm going to have 3 Ns, because 3 times 1, and for the oxygen, it's 3 times 3, so I'm going to have 9 Os. So the molar mass of aluminum is 26.98, plus 3 times N is 14.01, plus 9 times 16. So when I'm going to take and add all of this together, I'm going to have 26.98 times 3 times 14 plus 9 times 16, and I'm going to get 213.01 grams per mole. So that's how I'm going to do that one. For this next one, aluminum phosphite, I'm going to take aluminum plus P is 30.97 plus 3 times 16. When I add all that up, I get 105.95. 0.95. Oops. Pen's being a little 0.95. 95. Okay. Next one, SR 3. So I'm going to have 3 times SR. SR is 87.62 plus 2 times P, which is 30.97, plus oxygen. There is 4 times 2 here, so that's 8 times 16. And again, this 2 here came from that 2 multiplying on this P here. So when I add all of that up, let me change the color on that. When I add all of that up, I get 452.8. Now, MgClO3, that L looks like it could be an I, but it's actually Cl. So I'm going to take the molar mass of Mg, which is 24.31, plus 2 times Cl, 35.45, because this 2 multiplies this Cl, and then 6 times 16. 3 times 2 is 6 times 16. And when I add all of that up, I get 191.21. I'm going to just give you Zn. I take the molar mass of Zn, and so I look and I find it's 65.41 plus 16 and 81.41, and K2O. So 39.1 times 2 plus 16, add it all up, and I get 94.2. So that's how I go about finding the molar mass for each of these substances, which is what I use for my for every statement.